Hey friends, welcome back. Our lesson today is constructing triangles using angle measures. In this video, I want to show you how to construct triangles using angle measures. To measure the angles, we will use the protractor. This is the middle of the protractor and this is the line that starts from 0. If you notice, there are numbers here on top, which is called the upper scale. And if you see this scale also in the inner part, this is what we call the lower scale. So we have here an example. Draw a triangle with angle measures of 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. So the first thing we're gonna do is label the angles as A for 30 degrees, B for 60 degrees, and C for 90 degrees. Let's get a ruler and draw a straight line. It does not matter how long the line is. I'm going to draw a line, a straight line, and label this as point A. This one here is point B. Then get a protractor to measure the angles. Now we will start from point A, which is 30 degrees. If you start measuring on the left, we have to put the middle of the protractor. You see this red part here? That's the middle of the protractor. And then put that on point A, making sure that the line of the protractor, which is this one, should be on top of the green line that is drawn on the board. So if you notice, the line on the protractor is on top of the green line, and then locate 30 degrees. As I mentioned earlier, if we start measuring on the left, we have to use the lower scale. So since point A is 30 degrees, so we locate that 30 degrees is right here. This is the lower scale. Get a ruler and then draw a line and from point A. And then label this as 30 degrees. So this is point A. Next, we will measure point B, which is 60 degrees. Again, we will get the protractor and put the middle of the protractor on point B, making sure that the line of the protractor is on top of the green line. Then we can measure 60 degrees using the upper scale. Again, we are measuring the right, so we will use the upper scale. And then look for 60 degrees. So from here, that is 0, here is the 60, and then get a ruler to draw a straight line. We already located 60 degrees right here, and then draw a straight line from point B to 60 degrees. And then label this as 60 degrees. So this is now point B, which is 60 degrees. Now we will do point C. So if you notice, we draw a triangle already. So that means the third intersection is automatic point C. And you can erase this excess line. Now we'll try to check if this angle right here is 90 degrees using the protractor. Now, we already measure angle A and we already measure angle B. Now, let's measure angle C using a protractor. We will position the protractor like this one, making sure that the middle part or the center of the protractor will be on point C. And then the line on the protractor should be on top of the red line. Okay, if you notice here, the line of the protractor is on top of the red line, and you notice that this line, the center of the protractor, is on top of the blue line, which is 90 degrees. That means this angle measures 90 degrees. When it forms a square corner, that means the measure of the angle is 90. So, point C is 90 degrees. Now listen to this. We can check if we can form a triangle out from the given angle measures when the sum of all the measures of the interior angles is 180 degrees. So that means you can draw a triangle. So you can check this one. So that would be 30 degrees plus 60 degrees plus 90 degrees, which is 180 degrees. So even though you will not measure this part, you know already that this is 90 degrees by adding the two angles and then subtract it from 180, and you will get the measure of the third interior angle. Now, in case the sum of the three interior angles of a triangle is not exactly 180 degrees, therefore, you cannot draw a triangle out from the given angle measures.